Stocks on Wall Street closed higher on Wednesday as investors grappled with a flood of corporate results as earnings season hits high gear. While investors were able to look past lackluster earnings from Boeing and Caterpillar, they weren't able to get past a weaker than expected forecast from Texas Instruments, which closed down more than 7% after the chip maker warned that trade tensions are impacting demand. Its dim forecast took a toll on other chip makers, with shares of Intel and Broadcom also falling. Meanwhile, a more than 3% fall in Nike shares weighed on the Dow after the shoe company announced on Tuesday that its longtime chief executive, Mark Parker, would step down next year. But helping the Dow stay afloat, Boeing and Caterpillar, despite bad earnings. Boeing posted a more than 50% drop in quarterly profit, though it reassured investors that it expects to get its 737 MAX jet back in the air in the fourth quarter. The plane maker's shares closed up 1%. As for Caterpillar, its shares also rose, despite reporting a drop in sales and cutting its outlook for the year. But investors were able to look at the bright side, with the heavy machinery maker reporting the impact of tariffs on its business will now be lower than it previously forecast.